I'm like so happy right now. This weekend is like my pre-birthday celebration, I guess. Oh, I'm fun, you're having fun, babies. Yeah. Hotel.
Keep staying here.
I know. Look at this superhuman cutting the leaves on our gigantic tree because, oh no, I guess they were lucky they sold me this house not in the summertime, because this is what happens to our pool. Every summer that it's bloomed like this, it just gets green because all of the leaves fall in. And it sucks because the tree is so nice, especially for the baby. Like we can put a swing on it and like it brings so much shade, but this just completely makes the pool not possible to swim in. So handy daddy here is cutting them down. Okay, ignore the rest of the backyard. Basically, because the pool gets so gross like this from the tree, kind of hard to be inspired. So yeah, so the pool makes the backyard just not fun to work on. We had gotten places, like we put all of this rock around, planted some stuff. This here is basically like all the trash that just needs to be picked up and left. But right now, I am power washing this bin that has been outside for so long because it's time. It's absolutely time to bring my clothes back into my closet and put the maternity clothes away. We're making a fresh bin for that. I really woke up today and said, get shit done. Not Francisco being a DIY king. I'm like so happy right now. I feel like I could cry. Francisco just left and took Gaia with him to go pick up some formula for her. And I don't think that I've been alone. Couldn't tell you. So it feels so amazing. So let's just like chat for a second while I do my skincare. Today also was a very productive day, but kind of got frustrated because it was my turn to be up with the baby at night. So basically, Gaia like only wants to eat with me. I'm pretty much the only one that can get her to drink. Francisco can too, but it usually falls on me. So if it's like during the day where we have our nanny here, like 9 to 5, Monday through Friday, and I'm like sleeping because I was up with the baby all night, I'm busy and I'm working, and I can't be the one to feed her, then at nighttime that means that she will wake up a bunch. That's what happened yesterday. I was up for 2 full feedings in the middle of the night last night. I'm flattered that the baby wants to only eat with me, but if I'm not available for her to eat with me, then she doesn't eat enough and then she doesn't sleep well at night. So I dealt with that, and then I slept in so late that finally I woke up and I was so productive. I felt so incredible. And then all of a sudden our nanny goes like, okay, bye. And I was like, oh, no. So when Francisco said that he could take her to go pick up the food with him so I could have some time for myself, oh my God. It makes me, you know what it makes me want to do? Something nice, beautiful, romantic, I don't know, for him. So like maybe I'm just thinking, he's like, oh, like when we give mom some time for herself and self-care, then she's, you know, extra nice to me. So let's see if we're gonna be able to whip something together. So let me show you what I accomplished today so far. Like, I swear I have not been this productive since before I was pregnant. Like, that's why I was like, oh my gosh, you're leaving me? To our nanny, I was like, there's no way. I was like, what time is it? Anyway, this is what happened. Nothing looks nice. Still looks a mess in here. But now I have like so much room for new stuff. Look at all these empty hangers. Wow. The wardrobe needs a full makeover, actually, fully, because I'm a mom now. So things are just a little bit different. Like some things I might have kept because I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna be young, flirty, whatever. Vibes are different. We can be young, flirty, fun, sexy too, but like just, you know, some things yes, some things no. A giant trash bag of clothes to sell. I'm thinking about doing a Depop, so if you guys are interested, you might love what's in there, like super iconic stuff. That bag contains like all of the stuff that I've gone through and kept, you know, like I've gone through my closet so many times and like thrown stuff away, not thrown stuff away, donated or sold stuff, but I'm so like, I'm someone that I need to hold on to everything. Like if I feel like this was an iconic piece that I wore, like I need to hold on to it. But like finally, I was like, you're a mom. Some of these, you know, we can let go of. I don't think it's gonna come back in style anytime soon. So that bag was all the stuff that I've gone through multiple times and said, no, I'm gonna keep it. And then finally this time I'm like, we're gonna let go, we're gonna let go. Here's my maternity box of all of the clothes that I wore while pregnant, maternity clothes, nursing bras, all that fun stuff. That's almost too heavy for me to put in the garage. So I need Francisco's help to put that in there and the bag. I'm proud. We started something. I saw Gaia, I was eating a banana earlier and Gaia was staring at it and she wanted the banana. Like I swear, she wanted to grab it from me and of course she wants to put everything in her mouth. So I was like, she wants this banana. Perfect timing. We're starting solid. So we have to unbox the high chair. I think it might need extra parts I need to order, but we gotta open it, you know, anyway, and figure that out. And then we're gonna maybe give her a banana tonight. So I made some pasta. Yum. Got a little bit of red wine, lit the candles. Yeah, so I hope he's like, oh my gosh, we should like give mom some more alone time sometimes, let her like breathe, do her skincare, and then like we get pasta and wine and candles. I don't know. Shot in the dark here. Okay, we're back. They're back. Girlie's getting hungry because it's almost time for her last bottle. Oh, she just threw up a little bit. Francisco is still working on stuff outside. Now that he got back, he's gonna finish putting lights up. So I asked him if I could just start opening this. Oh, why am I so hot? Oh, I had a glass of red wine. So he said, yeah, if you want to build it. So, baby girl, we're gonna see how long she lasts right here. Yeah, if she can hang while I put it together, because I want to give her some banana. I want to give you some banana. Yeah, okay. Okay, basically, we couldn't decide on what high chair to get. So we put like 3 that we liked on the registry. And then we're like, whatever someone buys us is gonna be decided for us. She's so cute right now. So Francisco's friend chose this one. This is what we got. Yeah, decision was made. So we definitely need another tray, and cushions are sold separately. I knew that. I knew we were gonna have to get some more stuff. No tray, but we have a little seat for you. Safe for eating? Yeah. She said yeah. This is the Stoke Steps chair, complete. So basically this is the chair, and here's the baby seat that goes in it. So I'll have to go buy that tray and cushion for her, but let's get this started. We got all black because our seats at the bar here are black. We have this random white one that is not supposed to be here, so I think that her chair is gonna replace that one, and then it'll be all black. Francisco picked up some Trulies as well for us to drink tomorrow because we're going to a Morgan Wallen concert. The way that it looks on the box is like not what it looked like when I chose it. Maybe because the like wood and the white looks different than the all black, but I thought the all black looked like really sleek and modern. I'm gonna see if I can just do this without instructions. The numbers, probably the step, right? So we go 2, 2. Do we just twist these in? Yeah. I'm gonna do these legs while also looking for the instructions. Didn't work, baby girl. Did not work. Yeah, let me get those instructions. Oh. Okay, so I didn't get to finish or anywhere close, but we're giving baby girl her last bottle of the night. We did a breast milk bottle. I don't know, I think because she didn't poop or something before, but she's pooped twice today. But we can't waste the breast milk that we took out of the freezer, so we're drinking breast milk today. So we're just gonna do that. Peace out. I really want to finish this tonight, so at least in the morning we can rye banana or avocado or something. But I don't know, I think I'm just gonna go outside and hang out with Francisco because I feel like I haven't hung out with him all day, except for when I was helping him cut the tree down a little bit. Didn't quite get to do everything I wanted to today, but you know, okay. I'm probably gonna prepare a bag because my mom's gonna come pick Gaia up tomorrow morning so that I could sleep in the morning, but also because my birthday is coming up, so it's like this weekend is like my pre-birthday celebration, I guess. It's a Morgan Wallen concert. I would go anyway if it was my birthday. If it was not my birthday, but it just kind of is around my birthday, so we're going for my birthday and my mom's gonna watch her. Yeah, I need to put a diaper bag together of like all of her bottles and toys and stuff she likes, you know. But I'm just gonna take a second right now. I'm gonna take a second, relax, go outside, hang out with Francisco, and if I don't see you guys tonight, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and tomorrow should be very exciting. Hi vlog, it's the next day. I'm getting ready for the Morgan Wallen concert tonight. I'm so excited, you know, birthday week festivities. I'm trying to film like get ready with me hair, get ready with me makeup, get ready with me outfit, but I think we're running low on time. And basically we're going to the concert, but we bought like our own tickets, just like any tickets, you know. And then my friend Roman works with Happy Dad, which is like the seltzer brand of the Nelk Boys. So we're gonna kind of go in a party bus with them and go to their suite. So they also just sent me, I can't show the bag so much, my address is everywhere on each literal one, but there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags of 6 cases of Happy Dad. So excited. I actually love these so much, so we're gonna get a little buzz with Happy Dad while we get ready. Okay, so basically we were sent all these little baby foods from Once Upon a Farm. So we're gonna try this one today because it's just mango only. So I'm heating it up right now. Girly girl, she just wants to eat her bib. She needs to lean a little bit back in order to hold herself up. Here's our tiny little bit of mango. Okay, ready girly? Mango, mango. How is it? Good? Oh my gosh, she actually ate that one. Okay, okay, we can have more. Ready?
Vamos, princesa, muy bien, muy bien. Come tu comida, baby. Delicioso. Mango.
Weird, huh? Is it weird?
Alright, here we go. For more? For more? For daddies?
I don't know. You're Mr. We're a team here, buddy.
We're walking in.
Favorite country guy?
Favorite country guy? Of
You
now,
know
I
one
guess.
song?
Round goes wide.
Hi vlog! Hi vlog! Oh my gosh, look at us twins now, again. Last time we were twins, we were both blonde.
And it was 2019.
And we were living together. Wow.
Wow.
Time flies.
Time flies when you're having fun.
So it's...
And babies.
Yeah. It's my birthday at midnight, so we're doing festivities.
We're so excited to celebrate Amanda. Oh my god, I'm breaking out so bad.
I just started breaking out.
It's the flight.
Gosh. We're like procrastinating, trying to get a TikTok transition set up.
Ready.
So we're gonna get glam now.
We're gonna do it.
Baby girl Gaia, trying to get comfy.
You got him.
With Auntie. Okay.
I love you and your part of the smoke.
Do you guys want to watch me open my present? Do you guys know what it is? My only wrapped gift.
Aww.
You guys all know what it is?
I do.
Yeah. Gaia girl. Gaia girl.
Oh, I love you. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Oh my god. So sweet.
Oh, you and your mommy are
Do you like
so
it?
loved.
You like it?
Yeah.
What are you tanning with?
I'm tanning with coconut oil and Tropics SPF.
15.
15. Nothing more than 15. Never. Are you kidding? If you want to tan, listen, there's a way to do it. There's a way to do it. And this is the way.
Christine came back from France, so tan. Ridiculous. Like, you can't tell here, but I'm so white.
This is not, Blaze Swim. Shout out Liv. This is not how you wear it, but.
Hey guys, getting ready. This is Maria. Have you been in any of my videos? Once, I think. Quarantine, right?
Quarantine radio, that was.
Basically, we are in the hotel room that I've extended 2 extra nights for my birthday. Last night, we're gonna go out. We don't know what we're doing.
We don't know, but we'll find something.
Yeah, we're just gonna get ready and
Get cute.
that's the best part of going out too, right? Getting cute, drinking.
Morning, Milky. Morning, Milky. Living the life, girlfriend. The cake, finally.
Beautiful lady in the robe from... Thank you so much. This is
Wow. Oh my gosh, is that even edible? That doesn't look edible. We'll just take it with us.
Or you can take a little cookie like this.
Okay. Cute.
Okay, it's our last hurrah. We're finally leaving this hotel.
The kids staying here.
I know. I actually had a split second today where I was like, should we stay another night? No. Gotta go home. Baby girl is with her fan playing. We checked out, but still at the cabana. I think I'm gonna wrap up this vlog here because birthday festivities are over. We really did it all. So that's it. I'm gonna take her clothes off because it's way too hot and get her wet maybe. Whee! Bye vlog! Bye, see you next time. Adios, ciao.